Now that we have a basic understanding of how Twitter Ads Manager works, I'm going to show you how to create your own Twitter ads campaign. On desktop, from your Twitter home screen, navigate to the icon on the upper right next to the tweet button to open the profile menu. Scroll down to Twitter Ads to open the Twitter Ads Manager dashboard. After the Ads Manager dashboard populates, you'll be presented with the option to create a campaign. The campaign creator offers you 7 different ad objectives for your campaigns: app installs, followers, tweet engagements, promoted video views, website clicks or conversions, app re-engagements, or awareness. I'm going to select awareness. You'll then be able to name your campaign whatever you like, select your funding source, daily budget, and when you want the campaign to run. Next, you'll be asked to create your ad group. You can name the group, select a start and end time, total ad group budget, bid type, and optimization preference. I'm going to optimize for reach and engagement. Next, you'll be asked to select your creators for the campaign. You'll be given a list of all your existing tweets, starting with the most recent. I'm going to select the top 3. Next, you'll be asked to find your audience. I'm going to narrow the demographics just a little bit for this campaign. I'm adding English as a language since I know all my tweets are in English. Then, I'm going to add marketing as an interest. Also, a behavior. This is for people who are employed in sales and marketing. I added these 2 groups because I believe that they will be the most relevant to the tweets that I'm including in my campaign. You'll then be asked to review all your campaign details and tweet creatives. And then you have the option to save for later or to launch the campaign.